Section 1. Introduction. The insurance industry operates within a complex legal framework. This framework is constantly evolving, responding to new risks, technologies, and societal needs. Understanding the current insurance and reinsurance laws is crucial for both consumers and insurance providers in the United States. In 2024, several significant changes are impacting the industry. These changes range from new regulations to impactful case law developments. Staying informed about these legal developments is not just about compliance, it's about understanding the shifting landscape of rights, obligations, and liabilities. For insurance providers, this knowledge is essential for developing sound business strategies and mitigating legal risks. Consumers, on the other hand, need to understand how these changes affect their coverage, premiums, and rights in the event of a claim. This essay will delve into the key legal changes shaping the U.S. insurance and reinsurance landscape in 2024. We will examine new regulations, analyze landmark case laws, and explore their implications for both consumers and the insurance industry. Section 2. New regulatory landscape. One of the most significant regulatory shifts in 2024 is the implementation of the Insurance Data Security Act. This federal legislation mandates enhanced data security standards for insurance companies. It aims to protect sensitive consumer information from cyber threats and data breaches. The act outlines specific requirements for data encryption, access controls, and breach notification protocols. Another notable regulatory change is the expansion of telehealth coverage mandates in several states. These mandates require insurance providers to offer coverage for virtual healthcare services, such as online consultations and remote patient monitoring. This shift reflects the growing adoption of telehealth technologies and aims to improve healthcare access and affordability. The increasing frequency and severity of climate-related events have also prompted regulatory action. Several states have implemented new regulations related to flood insurance. These regulations aim to address affordability concerns, improve risk assessment models, and encourage mitigation efforts. They impact how insurers price flood insurance policies, assess flood risks, and handle claims. Section 3. Case law developments. The courts continue to play a crucial role in shaping insurance law. In 2024, several landmark cases have set important precedents with far-reaching implications for the industry. One such case involves the interpretation of business interruption insurance policies in the context of pandemic-related losses. The court's decision clarified the scope of coverage for business interruptions triggered by government-mandated shutdowns. Another significant case addressed the issue of data breach liability. The court ruled that insurance companies could be held liable for failing to implement adequate data security measures, resulting in a data breach. This ruling underscores the growing importance of cybersecurity in the insurance sector and the potential legal ramifications of data breaches. Furthermore, a case involving autonomous vehicles set a precedent for determining liability in accidents involving self-driving cars. The court's decision considered the role of artificial intelligence in accident causation and its implications for insurance coverage. This ruling reflects the evolving legal landscape surrounding emerging technologies and their impact on insurance liability. Section 4. Impact on insurance providers. The legal changes discussed above have significant ramifications for insurance providers. The Insurance Data Security Act requires substantial investments in cybersecurity infrastructure and personnel. Companies need to enhance their data protection measures to comply with the Act's stringent requirements and mitigate the risk of costly data breaches. The expansion of telehealth coverage mandates necessitates adjustments to insurance plans and reimbursement policies. Insurers must incorporate telehealth services into their coverage offerings, establish fair reimbursement rates for virtual care providers, and adapt their claims processing procedures to accommodate telehealth claims. New regulations related to flood insurance pose challenges for insurers in terms of risk assessment and pricing models. Insurers need to refine their flood risk assessment tools to incorporate the latest climate data and adjust their pricing strategies to reflect the evolving flood risks. They also face pressure to make flood insurance more affordable for consumers while maintaining financial stability. Section 5. Impact on consumers. For consumers, these legal developments bring both opportunities and challenges. The Insurance Data Security Act strengthens consumer data protection, reducing the risk of identity theft and financial loss due to data breaches. This enhanced security fosters greater trust in the insurance industry and protects consumers' sensitive personal information. The expansion of telehealth coverage provides consumers with greater access to convenient and affordable healthcare options. Virtual consultations and remote monitoring services can improve healthcare accessibility, particularly for individuals in rural areas or with mobility limitations. This expanded coverage empowers consumers to take a more proactive role in managing their health. However, new regulations related to flood insurance may lead to increased premiums for consumers in high-risk flood zones. As insurers refine their risk assessment models and incorporate climate change data, flood insurance premiums may rise to reflect the escalating flood risks. This can pose affordability challenges for homeowners in flood-prone areas. Section 6. Conclusion. The insurance and reinsurance legal landscape in the United States is in constant flux. New regulations, evolving case law, and technological advancements are reshaping the industry, impacting both consumers and insurance providers. Understanding these legal changes is crucial for navigating the complexities of insurance in 2024. Insurance providers must adapt to the evolving regulatory environment by enhancing cybersecurity measures, integrating telehealth services into their coverage offerings, and refining flood risk assessment practices. Consumers, on the other hand, benefit from strengthened data protection, expanded access to virtual care, and evolving coverage options. However, they may also face rising flood insurance premiums. By staying informed about these legal developments, both consumers and insurance providers can make informed decisions, protect their interests, and navigate the changing insurance landscape with greater confidence. The ongoing evolution of insurance law underscores the importance of continuous learning and adaptation in this dynamic industry.